With the new administration just over a week away from inauguration, advocacy groups are preparing for what they anticipate lies ahead. There's an event tonight that's covering just those topics. Reporter Valeria Fugate has more.
ACLU Wyoming will be holding a community event. It's meant to create Know Your Right immigration packages. This gathering is being held in anticipation of the new upcoming administration. The ACLU will be partnering with faith leaders and community members to host a Know Your Rights packet making event for undocumented workers and mixed status families. It's meant to inform people of their legal recourse in case they are stopped by law enforcement in anticipation of any new immigration policies under Trump.
I mean, people are not going to work their butt off for low wages like immigrants will, which is not fair, but it's just the reality of why a lot of American folks don't do those jobs. You're killing Wyoming when you're driving immigrants out, straight up.
According to the ACLU, there are no sanctuary cities, counties, or refugee settlement agencies in Wyoming, and law enforcement is allowed to hold suspects for 48 hours if they commit an illegal act. ACLU is positioning themselves for more immigration bills from the Freedom Caucus, which they anticipate will impact Wyoming industries.
So every ranch, every oil field, every farm, everywhere where people are working labor, immigrants are there. It's all these new construction that's happening around Cheyenne and everywhere else. Immigrants are building Wyoming right now.
We spoke with the outgoing leader of the Freedom Caucus.
I don't believe that those job markets that you mentioned are really going to be impacted greatly. I think we're really talking more about lawbreakers and gang members that none of us want to see inside the borders of Wyoming or any other state.
Baer says the five and dime issues were researched issues within the state of Wyoming and not as federal hot button issues.
This was obtained by the legislators that were campaigning in this last election and their communications with their constituents. So we take very seriously where we're getting our marching orders from, and without any doubt, our marching orders come from the public, the Wyoming citizens.
We can anticipate seeing some of these bills and new ones enter the chamber floors when the Wyoming legislature kicks off on January 14th. Aiden?
Thanks, Valeria. The event starts at 6 p.m. tonight at the Unitarian Universalist Church. They're looking to create over 200 packets, both in Spanish and English. Everybody is welcome to join in.